afternoon and welcome from Schiphol Amsterdam Airport, as you can see right there as well. I'm here at the panorama terrace. I just dropped off my bag actually, and yeah, it's such beautiful weather here in the Netherlands. I have loads of time. I decided to take a look at some more airplanes here in the background, but yes, sometimes it's nice to go here. It's not so busy here at the moment. See, it's like nobody here. There's an old Fokker airplane from KLM. You can go inside there if you want, but yeah, here is a nice view of the airport, and yeah, I'm all ready to go to Argentina. It's the next race of the calendar, and after that we also go to Austin. So in this video you're gonna see the Argentina and the Austin, the United States race. So yeah, long trip. It's more than 2 weeks from home, and I'm sure I'm gonna be pretty exhausted, but hey, that's it. That's the racing life, and well, let's go. Okay, and here we are after a 13.5-hour flight from Amsterdam to Buenos Aires. I'm here in Buenos Aires Central because we have a stopover for 7 hours. So we dropped off our bags already, upped in the cab, and yeah, make the most of it. So a little bit of sightseeing here in Buenos Aires Central. Never been here before, so excited to see what this place is all about. Yeah, had a great time exploring the city of Buenos Aires a little bit, and yeah, after that we went back to the airport, waited a little bit longer to get the domestic flight to Termas, and well, now we're here, checked in the hotel, take a quick shower because yeah, the trip was long enough, try to get some food, and I don't make it so late today because yeah, well, I'm quite tired from traveling, and yeah, then tomorrow we start building the pit box again. And here we are again, back in the hotel room, end of Thursday. Yeah, this morning the news came in that Taka is not riding because he was positively tested for COVID. But yeah, he did another PCR test today, and this one turned out negative. So he's on his way to Argentina, and yeah, the other problem is there's a plane stuck in Kenya, apparently, with a lot of parts for different teams. Luckily, we have all our parts, but yeah, some teams have like absolutely nothing, and so they cancel already the Friday. And yeah, let's wait and see when the plane will arrive, because for the moment it doesn't really look all that great, and yeah, so maybe they even have to cancel the whole event, but yeah, let's hope that doesn't happen. And yeah, we can do a race weekend in 2 days. So the Saturday is going to be jam-packed, and yeah, the Sunday is going to be pretty busy as well. But yeah, let's see what happens in the next 2 days. Welcome to Argentina. Very good morning. It's Saturday morning, and yeah, well, in the end we drive. Moto3 is riding now. The crates arrived this night. Luckily our crates already arrived, so we were pretty much done. The only thing I need is my Michelin tires. I'm going to collect them now. Yeah, get my tires and yeah, be ready for FP1. Gonna be a busy day today. Yes, and here we are in Buenos Aires Ezeiza Airport. It's there right behind me, and yeah, this morning we already took the plane from Termas de Rio Hondo to Buenos Aires, and now unfortunately we have to wait 7 hours to get our next plane to Houston, and then from there we go to Austin. So we are scheduled to be in Austin, I think 9 o'clock in the morning. So we have a little bit of spare time there as well. we have some things planned, so I want to show you guys there as well. But yeah, for now a little bit waiting, and luckily the weather is absolutely amazing here. So yeah, just chill around a little bit and try to forget the last weekend. It was a strange weekend. 2 days instead of 3 like we normally do, and of course also Taka first was positive, so he could not travel, and then in the end he did one more PCR, and then yeah, this one turned out negative, so he could come and do the weekend. And yeah, all in all, crazy weekend. Did not go like we wanted. We started really good in P1 and FP1, but yeah, later, yeah, we could not really find a rhythm, and yeah, we had some small problems, and yeah, just could not get a good race together. Hopefully Coda will be a whole lot better, and yeah, let's see how it goes there. But for now, a lot of traveling going on, and I hope to see you guys in Coda. And here we are in Austin. Welcome. This is the Pedernales River. It's absolutely beautiful weather here, and yeah, just a little bit of sightseeing. This is just west outside of Austin, and yeah, my colleagues are figuring out if they want to take a swim or not. And I think after this we go for some outlet shopping, and tonight we go into town and yeah, go to some restaurant, and there's normally some live music there, and very nice to see. So let's go. Here we are at the track. As you can see, some crates just arrived. Big problems, as you know. Get the parts also in Argentina and now here. Luckily we have all our crates, but like the Repsol box still has nothing. So for sure it will arrive, but what time they don't know. So at least we can set up a pit box and start preparing everything for the weekend. Well, and that's the weekend done. I cannot say it's been a great weekend. Yeah, we had a little bit ups and downs. Of course, going straight into Q2 was very nice for us, very positive, and yeah, we showed some good pace, qualifying in P10. But then in the race, yeah, we could not find a rhythm. Yeah, difficult to keep up with the guys in front of us. So yeah, for sure, P14 is not what we want, not what Taka wants, and yeah, it's we have to improve in Portimao. This is pretty much yeah, unacceptable, and yeah, really yeah, push hard next time. But for now, I came back in the hotel, had a quick shower, and now I'm going downtown to a restaurant just to relax a little bit, unwind, and then tomorrow we fly back from Houston, so I drive from Austin to Houston, and then direct flight to Amsterdam. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's been 2 long weeks, and I'm happy to go home, and I would really like to see you guys in the next video again. So bye bye for now. Ciao.